Hey, welcome guys. Um, in this video, I want to show you how to install a pixel on your seller page. All right, how to install a pixel to your seller page. Hey, so if you're new to my channel, my name is Timothy Okonkwo and I talk about sales, marketing, copywriting, affiliate marketing, and making money online. And if this is your first time coming to this channel, consider subscribing and turning on the bell notification icon so you get to be notified whenever I post my other videos coming up. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you what you need to do to install a pixel on your seller page. I've had this question come up so many times. What should I do? How can I install a pixel on my seller page? Now, first of all, before I go into showing you how to install a pixel on your seller page, I need you to understand the meaning of a pixel. A pixel is just a snippet of a code, like it's a short code that you can actually install on your website for you to be able to track performances and events on your website, okay? This pixel can help you to track whatever activity that goes on your website. So you can actually get to purchase a website. You can design a website by a developer. A developer can help you to design your website, and you can install a pixel on this website. So your website can help you to track anyone who visits, anyone who clicks on the page, who purchases, who does every single thing. The pixel would record and picks the activity that happens there. Most often than not, we get to install pixel on our WordPress website because a lot of things has been advanced right now. People no longer, it's quite challenging for people to get to, not everybody can be a programmer. So people no longer um, get a developer or them program or code a website, all right? They just get to buy a domain name, the host it, and then they use a WordPress to build a website. And actually, you can install a pixel on your WordPress website using plugins like Pixel, Caffeine, um, headers and footers, and other plugins that can help you to install Pixel on your website. But for this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can install Pixel on your seller page. Note that Seller is a platform that you can use to make sales online. This platform can help you to make sales online and they get to pay you your money, just like a gateway for you to use as your sales page, and then you get to use it as a payment collection gateway. Once they collect payment for you, they get to credit your account almost 24 hours after payment. That is, if it's still within the same country, and 4 days later, if it's within other African countries. But the challenge most people have is that when they sell through Seller, they usually can't track whatever is happening in Seller. Now, one of the beautiful thing about Pixel, or the reason why people install Pixel, is because they want to be able to run retargeting ads. They want to be able to retarget people who visited their website, whatever action they might have taken. They want to be able to use this information to retarget these people with new offers and sell something valuable to them. But this is quite a challenge for them on Seller because they are not able to track whatever activities happens there. So right now, I'm going to be sharing my screen and you are going to be seeing the process. So the first thing you need to do is, let me start sharing my screen right now. Okay, so I'm sure you are seeing my screen right now. So the first thing you need to do is for you to be able to go to your ads manager or your business manager. So you simply, first of all, get to your business manager. If you can't actually do that, go to your normal Facebook. Once you get to your Facebook, you click on ads manager. Under ads manager, you see your business settings. I'm not just going to go dip that. So you're going to see this option, business settings here. So once you get to business settings, you're just going to come down. You're going to see users, accounts, data sources. Under data sources, you click on pixels. So the first thing you want to do is to create a pixel. All right. It's the first thing you want to do. I have a lot of pixels on these ad accounts. So I'm going to show you shortly or quickly how you can create a pixel that you can actually add on um, Selar. So this is the first thing. Um, okay, so you click on add, you click on add. Right here, you're saying pixel name. So name your pixel, whatever you want to name it. All right. So I'm just going to say that this is a test pixel, text pixel one. So once you give it, you've given it a name, you're going to see check your website for easy setup options. This is optional. It is not compulsory for you to put your website. So you just click on continue and you would notice that your pixel isn't ready to use. So this option that you're going to be using now, set up your continue managing by business or set up your pixel now. If you click on this option, you are simply going to be setting it up on maybe your website. So once you click on that option, it's going to ask you, do you want to add codes, add code using a partner integration, or you want to manually add pixel code to website. So once you choose the second option, it's going to give you the snippets, right? It's going to give you the codes. It's more than about 10, 12 lines of code. So ideally, if we're installing this on our WordPress WordPress website. We just need to click on this and we get that snippet, go to WordPress, install a plugin and install a very good plugin is headers and footers. Just install it on the header section of the WordPress and save it, save the settings, and then our pixel would have been installed on that website. All right. But this time around, we're not doing that. So we're going to close this page. Look at the pixel we just created now, test pixel one. And if you look on this right-hand side here, you're going to see the pixel ID. The most important thing for us here is this pixel ID, and that is what we're going to be using to install on our seller page. So you're just going to click on it, copy to clipboard. So you click on it, it has already copied. You come to your seller page and just simply go to seller.co/login and put your username or your email address, your password, and then you log in. Okay. All right. So as soon as you come down to as soon as you come down to your seller page, the first thing you want to do is this is my seller account. So you want to go to the three icon here, this three horizontal icon here, and you want to scroll down to all integration. Basically, what you're going to be seeing is integrations, right? Integrations. So you click on this plus sign here. Once you click on it, it's going to bring down drop down of other options. So right here, you can install Facebook Pixel, Google Tag Manager, MailChimp, ConvertKit, SoundPause, Kartra, WordPress, Lendash. So, but what we're really interested in is on Facebook Pixel. So you're going to click on Facebook Pixel right about now, and you're giving it some time to load. Fine. I already have a Facebook Pixel installed on my seller page, right? I have a Facebook Pixel installed on my seller page. So, but what I want to do now is, if, for example, there was no Facebook Pixel there, right? What you just have to do is, if you look at this place, it's telling you integrate Facebook Pixel on your seller store, what your Facebook Pixel tracks on your seller store, profile and product page views, add to cart access duration list, initiate checkout when the user attempts to check out, then purchase when a user successfully pays for your product. Now, I need to explain something to you. That probably might be in another video, but the moment you set up, for example, you're using a WordPress website and you want to install your Pixel, the moment you install your Pixel, there's something they call event optimization. Like, you have to set up your events. Now that you've set your Pixel on your website, what do you want to track? What do you want to, what do you want this Pixel to track when people come? Do you want it to track a specific button when people visit your website and they click on a particular button? If that is what you want, what do you want that button to track? Do you want it to track if, for example, you sell a physical product? Let's say you sell a physical product and you want a situation whereby when somebody visits your page and fills your order form and clicks submit, you want, the moment they click on that submit button, it should trigger it as a purchase or add to cart. So once you set this up, the moment anybody visits your website and clicks on that button, it registers straight to your ad manager that there's already one purchase or one add to cart, right? For if you're doing this for WordPress website, you have to manually set up these events, different kind of events, right? But for seller, it is automatically set up for you. You don't need to start setting all of that up. So once anybody visits your site, if you look at this top hand side here, you would notice that my seller page has a pixel, right? This is a plugin that you can install to make sure that what you did was successful. It's called Meta Pixel Helper. All right, Meta Pixel Helper. Just type it on Google. It's a plugin. Just attach it to your Google page, and it's just going to be there. The moment you visit any website that a pixel is on, this would show you that there's a pixel and whatever the stuff is tracking. All right. So right now, it is showing that I have viewed my page and buttons are automatically detected. All right. So if I should do any other thing, if I go to checkout and I click on initiate checkout, or maybe I attempt like I want to buy a product, it will also show me here that initiate checkout has been initiated, right? Now, so all you need to understand is that on Seller helps you to set it up, everything. So if someone visits your page, add to carts, initiate checkouts, purchases, everything is recorded on Seller. So what you need to do now, remember we copied this this pixel, this pixel ID. Remember we did that. So you just copy it and you come over here, you put it here, and then you click on update pixel. All right, I am not going to be updating it because I am using my previous pixel is there, so I don't want to move it. So once you click on update pixel, you are good to go. Your seller page already has a pixel attached to it. So you can actually try to you can actually try to run a retargeting ad on seller, and for all those who visited your page on seller, sell them a new offer or something. Or maybe you can actually retarget those who have actually come to your page, done one thing or another on your Facebook page. But this is exactly how to do retarget, to set up your pixel on your seller page. I do hope that you find this very useful. I do hope that you find it very useful. All right, so if you have not subscribed to my channel, consider subscribing, turn on the bell notification icon as I share more other tips with you that can help you in your business and in your sales and marketing. I'll see you in the next video.